Hi everyone, Ron here again from Ronovationz, of course. Here to talk about something a little bit of a different subject. Okay, I've got a lot of students, they've got a lot of properties. I've got quite a large number who have as much as 8 to 14 properties, and in fact I have one student, or a couple actually, who have over 20 odd properties, all in within 10 years. But the point I'm talking about here is maintaining your values. Quite often a lot of people are now into wealth, and they forget that what is the wealth for? It's obviously not to keep on buying more and living like Scrooge McDuck or anything, but to have the style that we invested for. Now, there is a danger of this, is that we may abuse the virtues that we have. Like the virtues of having it is maintaining a good lifestyle, of course. Don't become perhaps the so-called play person who will go out and spend and squander and buy all sorts of nice cars, because it's almost becoming like a lotto winner. Most lotto winners, by the way, are usually bankrupt within about 5 years, a good large majority, and that's statistically a fact. Okay, you've come into wealth with property, you have all this. Now you have to learn to be able to live within the newfound wealth. It doesn't mean a Maserati or Ferrari every year. It doesn't mean a posh house in an overseas island somewhere. It just means doing the right thing. Hey, there are a lot of ways you can use your money, and that's obviously helping society with it, teaching others, as I have done, to also grow their wealth. Look after your family, look after your health, look after your partner. These are the most important things in our lives. So don't forget, when you get to that wealth created part of your life, improve your lifestyle but still live within the means. But don't forget, you've invested, now enjoy it, but don't overdo it.